Alright guys, so here we have a trade on USDCHF, the US dollar against the Swiss franc, a trade setup that I had talked about on the weekly time frame. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set this trade up using my magic keys. So this is the trade setup. I'm going to go ahead and set the take profits as well, because that is important to know where my take profits will be standing. We have this USDCHF trade. I'm risking 43 pips to gain 280 pips, a good 1 to 6.5 risk to reward ratio. To do is I'm going to come over here to my MetaTrader 4. So we see that I'm on here on MetaTrader 4 on my computer. I have this $10,000 account that I have with my Forex funds. It's an account that has been chilling around. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and set up my trade the exact same way how I set it up on TradingView. My broker prices and TradingView prices are sometimes different depending on the instrument that I'm trading. So go ahead and get that set up perfectly. And then I'm going to go ahead and set the magic keys the exact way how I want to take the trade. So I'm going to press open calculator. It's going to come down over here all the way down to where my stop loss I would have it at. I'm going to press market pending so that I can set up a buy limit, and it's going to be at my Fibonacci level that I like to trade at, right? So I got that, and then my take profit is going to be at those extensions. My final take profit is the 61.8 extension. And so once we got that, then I'm going to go ahead, make sure that it's 1% of my account. You can go ahead and change the risk parameters. You can press input risk, and over here you can change it to 2% of the account if you want to. This trade, I'm going to leave it at 1% because I like practicing risk management. So input risk, going to put it back at 1, risking $99 on this $10,000 account. Now, if you do have a $50,000 account, $100,000 account, or whatever size account that you have, Magic Keys is going to automatically adjust that for you. So once I got that set up, I press open trade, and boom, I got that buy limit.